Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Programming with Biswa. In this video session, we are going to see how we can compress single file and multiple file using .NET Zip NuGet packages in C#.NET. You can find this complete video session notes inside my blog. I will give this blog and chapter link in the video description below. Inside this blog you can find complete source code. So we are going to use this .NET Zip NuGet packages to zip our file or to compress our file. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future notification. If you ended up liking my video, gives me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. For this, we are going to create one console applications and creating new project. I'm just showing a demo in console application. You can use the same coding, same syntax in Windows application, web application, and in web API also. So I'm selecting console application, giving a name here. Let's say compress files up. As I said, we are going to use .NET Zip NuGet packages. So I have to add NuGet packages inside my application. Those who don't know how to add NuGet packages inside .NET application, I have already created a video. I will give this link in I button. Please check it out. Right click on the application. Click on the manage NuGet packages. Here search this completely. So you can see first one is coming. Click on install. Okay, this packages has been installed here. You can see in reference. For that, we are going to use namespace using ionic.zip. So using ionic.zip. Next, I have in this chapter note, I always created PowerPoint file. So I have file for here, you can see .NET PowerPoint. There are three files. I can create either one zip file by right click compress zip, or I can create selecting all, right click compress zip. The same functionality we can use in C#.NET. How we can use? Let's see. We have added the reference. Now in your static void main, as it is a console application, we are running everything and static. We need to add this line of command. So I already added here. So I'm keeping in try catch block so that I can, if any file not found error will come, because as we are doing some file operation, we must keep the code inside the try catch operation block. Okay, so using zip file, so here I'm adding one file. This is my ASP.NET process PPT. You can see in this folder. If I want to add multiple file, I can add directly multiple file. At last, I want to save the single file, means all these three files will compress into a single zip file in this line. So here you need to provide the complete path of source file. In zip.save method, you need to provide the destination.zip path. Then file zip successfully. I'm just showing a message here. Build this application. So you can see in this path there are only 3 PPT files are there. So I'm running, it will create a one more zip file here. Just run the application. So you can see zip file zipped successfully. Close it. You can see .NET compressed zip. It's came here completely. Means by adding these three file, I can also add a different file here, or a different path, not only single. I want to add, let's say, ASP.NET. I want to add this path. Okay, and let's say SQL to grade. Okay, I'm going to .NET path again and deleting the already compressed zip file. Okay, I'm deleting this compressed zip file. Now we have added a separate path here. You can see these three are in a single path and this is a separate path. Still it will create all these four files into a single zip folder. Run this applications. Okay, file zip successfully, close this. You can find this one. So here we learn how we can make single file or multiple file to a single zip file. Thank you very much, guys.